On Draw Stuff Real Easy today, I am going to show you how to draw a nautilus shell, which are those really kind of big, pretty shells, which are kind of have like these kind of little octopusy kind of things inside them, and quite often it historically been used as kind of drinking cups and things like that. So sketch out a circle, draw this very lightly so you don't press too hard into the paper, and you can erase it later. So we're going to draw in ink later. So this is going to be a kind of a curve coming out there. And in fact, this is a very mathematical progression. It's called the Fibonacci sequence that gets this circle coming in here. You've got 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 equals 2, 2 plus 1 equals 3, 3 plus 2 equals 5, 5 plus 3 equals 8, etc. And it's this progression that gives us the specific kind of shape. And you'll find the Fibonacci sequence in art and biology and the natural world being used an awful lot. In fact, I'm going to do a little video here about the Fibonacci sequence. So we want to get this kind of curve coming nicely around there, and then this wants to be a bit more curved around like that. So you need to play with it a bit, I think. And then we're going to have like a circle there, because this is where the pattern of the thing grows out from. So let's see how we get on with this. First of all, I'm going to draw this as a circle, so that's quite easy. And then this is like an S shape, and then I'm just going to bring it around like that. Next, we need to follow this curve around that comes down inside itself, inside the sort of the bowl of the shell, and then we want this curve coming just slightly on the outside, and then that will be coming down, and then these two then want to meet neatly and smoothly. I hope that's not too bad. Now, when you're sure that the ink is dry, you can rub out those numbers, forget all about them, unless you want to go and see the video about them. And we can erase all those pencil lines. And we're going to need some shading in here. So we're going to want some quite deep shading inside the shell. And here we might want to kind of bring this shading along here, just to give a kind of a sense of thickness of the edge of the shell there. And then starting with dots, imagining this is the center and we're kind of radiating from that point, we can put a bit of shading all the way around, going back to dots again. And here again we can maybe have some, just get thinner and thinner and into dots. And this can be shaded in there, and then let's put a bit of shading kind of underneath it to put it on the table, as it were. Just a bit of shading like that. So now we have this very kind of distinctive pattern of sort of stripes, which all kind of radiate into this point, and they want to be kind of they're kind of wiggly little arrowy lines like that, and they will come pointing in. So if we do some just to kind of place markers, as it were, just to get them in the right place, they will be kind of curving as well around there probably. And then we can do some maybe shorter ones in between, and then we want some kind of radiating out from the center as well. So we get that kind of nautilus look to the whole thing. And we might have a few coming down here. And I'm going to give a bit of extra shading in there just to make that a bit darker inside. Cross hatching. Erase those pencil lines again, and there you go, how to draw a nautilus shell. Well, thanks for watching. Please like this video and make sure you are subscribed to the Draw Stuff Real Easy channel. You can support my videos by following me on my Patreon page. Put your drawing idea requests in the comments box below, and remember to keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.